is Mark the Misfit. Your child will look at a group of pictures and identify the one that begins with a different sound. Just print out and cut apart the picture strips and sound cards found on our website. You will also need a checker or game piece to use for marking the Misfit picture. To start the game, select one of the picture strips and the sound card for the beginning sound of the target picture in the pink box. Prop up the sound card in front of the child. Say the target word and point to the letter on the sound card. Here's an example. This picture is a mask. Mask starts with mm. Listen, mask starts with mm. Say that.
Mask starts with mm.
Repeat the target word and say the names of the other 4 pictures on the strip, like this. Look at the other pictures. Mail, mouse, dig, mug. Name each picture as I point to it. Get ready.
Mail, mouse, dig, mug.
Which one sounds different at the beginning?
I don't know.
Listen. Mail, mouse, dig, mug. Which one sounds different at the beginning?
Dig?
Good job! Once the child has made his choice, he can put a checker or game piece on the picture with the Misfit beginning sound. Continue playing for 15 minutes or until your child's attention fades. And that's how we play Mark the Misfit.